Welcome to the video tutorial on the IT tools, which are used to support the management of Erasmus Plus program. In this tutorial you will see what is the main function of each tool, and how the tools interact with each other along the application and project life cycle. Before we begin, let me introduce the four main user groups of IT tools. These characters are used to illustrate the user, or person performing the action. Nina represents the users from the national agencies that manage the application process and the project. Ben represents the applicants that apply for grants. He also represents beneficiaries that manage the mobilities and submit the beneficiary report. Bert represents the experts who evaluate projects. And Stuart represents the participants who report on their mobility experience. Let's have a look at a list of tools in more detail. What purpose they serve, and who will use them. URF, which stands for the Unique Registration Facility, is a tool for central registration of organizations in EU programs. The PIC, which is a 9-digit unique participant identification code, is provided once an organization registers. E-forms allow applying for accreditation and grants. Applicants complete the e-form online using the 9-digit PIC number. That automatically fills in the organization details. E+ Link is a tool used by the national agencies for the management of projects. E+ Link allows for managing the project cycle from application stage to project finalization. OEET is an online expert evaluation tool used by experts to assess the content of a project. An expert might be internal within the NA, or external. The Project Results Platform, also known as VALA, is a dissemination tool. The tool offers comprehensive overview of project details and results, and is directly accessible to the public. The Mobility tool is used by beneficiaries to register mobilities. It is also used to prepare and submit the beneficiary report once the beneficiary is ready to finalize the project. EU survey is used by the participants in mobility projects to complete the report of their experience. The survey can be submitted online and is offered in various languages. BO Reports is the reporting tools used by DGAC and NAs to have a view of the aggregated data from various tools. LifeCard is a tool used by national agencies to encode the NA work program and the NA yearly report. You have just seen different IT tools used in Erasmus Plus program. Now, let's have a look at the interaction between the tools along the application and project life cycle. This illustration identifies several phases that represent the path that a project takes from the beginning to its end. It also shows when the activities of selection and project and financial management are carried out. The milestones illustrate the transfer of data between the systems. Before applying for a grant or accreditation, an organization registers in URF, where it receives a unique 9-digit PIC number. Then, Ben completes the e-form. Remember, while completing the form, Ben inserts his organization's PIC number. Once the e-form is submitted, data is sent to E+ Link. In E+ Link, it is Nina's task to process the application further and check if the application is eligible. After a positive eligibility check, data is sent to OEET. Now, Nina logs into OEET and assigns the project to Bert for quality assessment. Once the assessment is performed, Nina transfers the results back to E+ Link. Once The project procedure 7.4, NA signature is signed in E+ link, data is sent to the project results platform, to be disseminated. After the NA signature, data is also sent to the mobility tool. Now Ben can start entering the details of the mobilities and, at the end of the project, complete the final report and submit it, sending the data back to E+ link. At this stage, there are many interactions between the systems. After the final report is approved, the details are published to the project results platform. There are several supportive tools that interact with the other IT tools throughout the project life cycle. These tools may not be as visible to the end user. As mentioned, BO reports offer a view of data from various tools. CCM2, which stands for the Call and Codes Management, version 2, is used to manage the reference data that must be common across all tools. Central Rates Web Service provides the business rules and logic for the budget calculations. Online linguistic support is used to manage the licenses for language courses and assessments. Hermes is used as a document management system. NA Connect is the collaborative communication platform between NAs and the European Commission. IMT stands for the Issue Management Tool. It is used to report and track issues and questions concerning the tools and content. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.